Welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to explain how my algorithm works for the project Turtle. And yeah, let's not waste any time. Get into the logic of the algorithm. So what I do is I start with 100 stocks of that are in Nifty 100. So this today it's not automated. What I do is I plan to pull it from the NSE indices website. So you get the constituents and then you can just um, clean and only look for the symbols. So you will get a list of 100 symbols. So I take that and feed it to my algorithm. In future, I will also automate it so that the list is dynamic all the time. And I don't think today it's frequent that the index is rebalanced. So probably it's semi-annually or quarterly I need to check, but it's not a concern for me today. In future, definitely I will automate that as well, where you start from pulling this data from the website live and then build on that. But now it's static, so I take the 100 list of 100 stocks and then I start. So for each stock, I get the last 21 closes. Once I get that, so I just need to make a check. Is the last close higher than the highest close of previous 20 days? So the 21st day is the recent one. So probably I run it early in the morning when the markets have not started. So I'm basically looking at yesterday's close. So is yesterday's close highest among the previous 20 trading sessions before that? So if that is yes, it's a breakout stock for me. So the other way, it's only 10 days. So I'm looking at, is the last close lowest among the previous is it lower than the lowest close among the previous 10 trading sessions? So is yesterday's close lower than the lowest of last 10? So in that case it is a breakdown stock. So with this I have two list of stocks. One is the breakout stocks and the next is the breakdown stocks, but it's just stateless. It doesn't know my holdings. So for the strategy, so it gives me two lists. From that list, what I do is then I look at the stocks that I already hold in my portfolio of this strategy. So as you know, the max position size that I hold is 10 stocks. So I'm looking at those 10 stocks and I'm checking, are one or more stocks among the stocks that I hold are also in the breakdown stocks. Basically, I'm asking the algo to check if there are stocks that I hold have broken down. So have they reached a stop loss? It's simple. So if yes, then I need to sell them. And of course, I mean, this part is not automated yet. I will do it because I don't want to have this authorization enabled automatically. So I need to do it manually for now, but I need to check the security parameters and then I'll probably automate it completely. But now, so I get this list and I need to sell, and I need to also count the open positions, because out of this 10 stocks, if I'm selling three, I mean, if there are three stocks that have hit the stop loss, then I need to refill them or replace them with three new stocks. So at this point, I sell and count, okay, how many positions that I need to replace. So okay, it's not open positions, it's basically the breakout for each Okay, I was right. So what I meant by open positions is that how many stocks that I need to replace. So the open positions is basically how many places are empty now in my 10 stocks portfolio. So if I have 3 stocks, then I look at the this list, this particular list where I have the breakout stocks. So I choose randomly because if I have 3 positions open and you have only one stock, it doesn't matter. You go ahead and buy it. If I have 3 stocks and I have 3 breakout stocks, still doesn't matter. You go and buy the 3 breakout stocks. But if I have only 3 and there are 10 stocks that have broken out, in that case I need to choose. And as I said in my previous videos, I choose randomness. So at this point I'm using randomness to get the list of stocks that I need to enter. So it's basically that. This is pretty much it. So today it's 90% automated. So every morning I get this list. Maybe I'll quickly run and show how it is. Uh, yeah. So I run this. You can see. Yeah. I'm going through all the 100 stocks to get their previous 21 closes, as I said. And based on that, here is the list that I built. The first one is the list of stocks that broke out, and here is the stocks that broke down. But it doesn't matter in the sense that it doesn't tell me what stocks I need to buy and what stocks I need to sell. So and here I'm printing. You can see these are the stocks that I hold in my portfolio. Uh, and how do I get to this list? Meaning, because I'm running a mix of strategies, so you can okay, let me go to the broker terminal and show you. So here you can see there are other stocks of other strategies. For example, I have 2 stocks of magic formula, and here I have some liquid bees. But how do I identify now? There are many ways to do it, but I could use some sort of tagging or some kind of statefulness in my system where I can use the database to monitor this. But for the moment I'm just using a simple logic because the position size or the capital allocation is different for different strategies. So I'm going with 1 lakh for magic formula and 50,000 for 50,000 for project turtle. So I'm just looking at stocks that I hold with the invested capital between 40,000 and 60,000 with the variance that I can hold. I can buy between 40 to 60,000. So with that I get the 10 stocks always, and then of course, so I look at those 10 stocks and I check are they part of the yeah, breakdown list. And as you can see there is one stock that has broken down which I hold. Yeah, so yeah, so I need to replace it, and for replacement you can see it has already told me to buy Techem, which is here. So it is one. As you can see, as you can see, there are multiple breakout stocks, and I just need to choose one. Just to confirm the randomness, I will just run this again to make sure. Okay, it gives me another stock this time. But anyway, I will be running this every day once, so I don't need to run it again and again till I get my favorite stock. So okay, it is randomness, so obviously you can get Techem twice. Just to make sure and it's transparent for you, I will run it again, and I reiterate, I will run it every day only once. then yeah, hopefully I don't get taken this time. Yeah, you can see I got ICICI Bank this time, so which is yeah. So that's pretty much it. This is how yeah, the algo has evolved so far. So there are bits that are still missing. I don't yeah, trigger the orders with this automation, but it tells me, okay, what stocks I need to buy and what stocks I need to sell today. So that is all. If you have any questions, yeah, put your questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And thank you. That's all.